My name is Jennifer Oman Payne, and I am the consultant for the City of Chico's Stormwater Management Education and Outreach Program. And our goal is to prevent pollutants from entering the creeks through the storm drain system. So on that note, in reference to car wash fundraisers and anybody washing their cars at home, we have created a model kit that will prevent the pollutants from entering the storm drain system through the gutters. So basically the purpose of the kit is to block the storm drain and then capture the wastewater and then divert the wastewater over onto an area where it can soak into the ground. And that way it doesn't run off into the gutters. Okay, so the kit consists of these various components, and first of all, there's a storm drain blocker, and this mat is not permeable. Nothing can get through it. So first you find your storm drain, you cover up your storm drain, and then this is basically backup. This is what really keeps the wastewater from going down into the drain. And this is a very amazing material here, and it acts like a dam, and it captures the wastewater, and you basically just open it out into a U shape in front of your storm drain blocker there. You can even put it further out, and then all of your wastewater will just flow right down into your dam area here, and then it captures in here. Contain it there, and then your pump sits inside with the wastewater. The pump is of course electrical, so there are some safety concerns, which is why we have the bucket. Inside the bucket, the pump is plugged in, and then it runs through this electrical extension cord. Depending on your site, you may need an additional cord if your car washing area is further from the electrical outlet. Then you attach the hose to the top of the pump. And this is how the water gets diverted. And just all the wastewater flows, and it's hard to believe, but this will actually contain quite a bit of wastewater if you put it in the correct place. And then it just pumps it out through the hose and diverts to a grassy area or gravel, anywhere that it can soak into the ground. Now people can build their own kit. This is really a model, and there's many different materials out there that are very affordable, and the city is willing to help train groups to build their own kits. So while you can check this one out, it will be more convenient to create your own kit at your own site. Butte College Mesa students have been competing in 3 teams to create 3 different kits, and they have been able to create their kits for $250 or less, and they're all different from each other, but they all do the same functions. They block the storm drain, they capture the wastewater, and they divert it to an area where it can soak into the ground. So those teams are willing to go out and do trainings out in the community and help people build their own kits for their own site so that it's very easy to use. You just check it out at your own school, your own club owns their own, and then you are always able to do an eco-friendly car wash fundraiser.